I've been exploring the Ring Doorbell app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Ring mobile app. Ring app is the control center for your Ring video doorbells and cameras, making it easy to monitor your home from anywhere. Instead of juggling different apps or devices, this single app lets you get real-time alerts, watch live HD video, and even talk directly to visitors or delivery folks, all through your phone. In terms of features, the app sends instant notifications when someone rings your doorbell or when motion is detected nearby. You can view live video for up to 10 minutes, chat using two-way audio, and review past clips if you subscribe to Ring Protect. New AI-powered video descriptions provide quick, smart text summaries of what's happening, like a person is walking up the steps with a black dog, so you get meaningful alerts without constantly checking your phone. It also supports customizing motion zones and schedules, controlling linked smart lights, and sharing device access with family or friends securely. The app includes handy tools like dark mode and a dashboard to manage all your devices in one place. From my personal experience, the app is pretty smooth and intuitive. Setting up a Ring doorbell was straightforward, and notifications usually come fast, making it easy to answer the door remotely. The live view and two-way talk work well for chatting with visitors or delivery drivers. I found the AI video descriptions especially helpful in filtering alerts, saving me from being bothered by every little movement. However, sometimes notifications get delayed, especially if the phone is in battery saver mode or on spotty Wi-Fi. Also, some features like full video history and certain intelligent alerts require a subscription, which can be a drawback for budget users. On the downside, the app can feel a bit overwhelming with all the settings and options, especially if you're new to smart home tech. Customer support has room for improvement, and occasional bugs or slow loading times happen, mostly on older phones. Plus, while live view is limited to about 10 minutes at a time, and some premium features cost extra, the core functionality still keeps your home safer every day. All in all, the Ring Doorbell app delivers a convenient and mostly reliable way to stay connected to your front door and home security. It shines with real-time video, smart alerts, and easy control, though a few quirks and subscription fees are worth noting. If you want peace of mind with powerful features, this app is definitely worth trying. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.